Hi, it's Hungry24/7 and welcome to my Cornwall vlog. First, we're starting in Gloucester service because they have a really nice farm shop and it's a nice service station basically. We're gonna have some lunch first and check out the farm shop, blah 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 blah, and then after that we have 4 more hours to drive to Cornwall. We're at the farm shop right now and I'm thinking what loaf to get because they all look really nice. All these jerkies.
Flatbread. Wow.
So I'm having the sweet potato and chickpea tagine with red cabbage and some matcha.
Got a steak and apple pie with some mashed potato and some peas.
Gonna film a little bit of myself.
This is a real British meal.
Nicely spotted. Have some of mine. I just found this thing called brownie butter. It looks really good. So I got the dark chocolate chip cookie, and we also have the chocolate cookie dough brownie. The farm shop is amazing. We got a lot of stuff and I'll show you later. And we're finally going to Cornwall. So we'll see you after 4 hours. Hi guys, we're stopping for a break and I'm having my cookie right now. So big. It's like a little cake. She's this size to my face. Hi guys, we finally arrived to the Airbnb and it's really cute. So let me give you a tour of the room. So this is when you enter the house. Look at these cute cats.
The wrong one.
And you know what? They're not even real because you have this remote and you can control it. Check this out. Hey, hey. Okay, cool. And look at the ceilings. Don't know what the word is for. You have built-in little kitchenette. Stocked with, I don't know, cutlery and plates and stuff. And yeah, there's a little mini fridge there inside. Never mind. So, whatever. They even gifted us some snacks. Biscuits, pork scratching. We bought some of these crackers at the farm shop earlier. So now let's close this closet. One of my favorite parts is the toilet. And we also have the outside, but we'll show you tomorrow because it's very dark right now. Alright, till tomorrow. Hi guys, we're in the Crown Inn for dinner tonight and let's go in. Hi guys, it's super cozy here. I ordered the Cornish mussels and we also have fish and chips.
Do you need any ketchup or food?
My mussels have arrived. Look how creamy it is. Super creamy. Oh my god, this is really creamy. Oh my god, such a good sauce. Super crusty and fresh. I'm also gonna have some sticky toffee pudding. And we got it with clotted cream instead of ice cream. Ooh, look at that.
Pretty good actually.
Goes really well with clotted cream.
Yeah, the cream of it.
I did. Pretty good. Very toffee.
Very date.
Very dates. It's not dense. Quite light. Hi, it's the next morning and I promised to show you the outside. So from the bed, go to the outside. A nice table. It's kind of wet because it's been raining yesterday. Have a little fireplace. Some chairs to look out. There's also a tub. And this is our entrance from here. This is where we enter. This is where we're staying. The Old Dairy, that's what it's called. So this is a really nice cozy place to stay in if you are in Cornwall. It's also near to the Eden Project. I'm starting off with some coffee. This place comes with a coffee machine as well. They gave us some of these Starbucks pots. And we're getting some breakfast.
Day 2. If you're not ready to be crazy, then click off this video.
I'm going to microwave this black watch hot egg and this cinder hot.
You have to eat all of it.
Some cheese,
Yeah, cheese.
Gloucester, because we got it in Gloucester, so we got Gloucester. Cutting up bits of Gloucester cheese. We're gonna continue watching our show from last.
Were you nice?
Hi, so today I'm at the Eden Project. It actually reminds me a bit of Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. When we go indoors to the little domes, there are these little domes. Look at those trees. It reminds me of Twilight. Wow. Yep, this reminds me of the Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. We're in the rainforest biome. It's funny they put a plural on kampungs. The word kampung. Yeah, I do love samba.
Do the same.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dude, stop. We're in Costa Rica now. Oh, wow. They said it's gonna be about 37 degrees, so we took our coats off. I mean, I am feeling hot.
Used to it.
Banana, the world's largest herb and most. Now I'm in the Mediterranean biome. So for lunch, we've gone to the restaurant inside this place, I guess, and we got the chicken curry, the papadum. To be honest, there's mostly just chickpeas in there. Not much chicken. Let's try this out. Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh,
I like that they have red rice.
I'm not gonna lie, it does remind me of school dinner though.
Yeah. Are in Mavities. On top of these. We've come a bit too late, so we're gonna come back tomorrow where the shops are open. Thinking maybe I could just live in one of these types of houses. They've got their own individuality. They're not all the same. And I think I would feel really calm with all these boats. So, for dinner, we're having Nepalese food. It's from this place called Nepalese Gurkha restaurant. So we've got some coconut rice. It smells really good. And then we have some lamb momos. Ooh. Okay. Thought they were gonna be like really big. Papadums. Onion bhajis.
Although,
And we also got a couple of these curries. These are the names. I'm gonna budge in with the bhaji.
it's not my joke.
I can really taste the coriander and cumin in this. Lamb momo. It's very similar to xiaolongbao. It's like a steamed dumpling, but there's like meat and soup inside. I think we tried it. We had it in the dim sum. Lamb is so good.
Huh? A little bit.
Day 3, breakfast. Not gonna lie, I woke up more tired than yesterday. Hi, so it's day 3 and today we just had some breakfast. After this, we're gonna go to the Lost Gardens of Heligan, which is about a 10-minute drive from where we are, so not too far. These are the lipsticks I'm putting on, by the way. It's Kiko Milano. I don't know what shade this is called, but it just says it's number 7. And then this is the Fenty Beauty lipstick that my sister gave me. It's the Rose Amber, and this is my outfit. It's actually quite rainy today. Was not expecting that.
If you like crumbles, you'll like that.
Okay.
I'll make it real nice. Bit of custard.
Yes, I can. It's interesting path. Oh, so many mushrooms! Even on that one.
Go on, eat it.
Ew! Sorry.
Ew.
Ew.
In your eyes.
We're about to go on the Burma rope bridge. Dude, chillax! Stop! Just walk. Oh my god. There's barely anybody here. It's like we're the only ones here. Yeah. Remind me of the cartoon Snow White. Yeah, when she gets lost. I think I'll get the toffee rock.
Nice.
Guys, for lunch we're gonna eat at the Porthminster kitchen upstairs. We ordered 2 beef roasts, so.
What are you doing coming down? Why are you coming down?
Or we could like do something like what she's doing.
Look at that. Yeah, go give it a name.
United Fishermen's Cove.
Yeah. If you had a pet seagull, what would you name it? Comment down below. Currently getting some ice cream, and there's also a lot of truffles. Cornish vanilla and the honeycomb salted caramel.
Yeah.
Honeycomb salted caramel. Not looking forward to going up this hill for this beautiful view while I continue to eat my ice cream. Super creamy. Creamiest vanilla ever. We were even offered to add some clotted cream on top. But this is fine. This is creamy enough. Simple. Hi guys, so for dinner we're at Wings Shed and we're gonna have some wings, chicken tenders and some fries, which I'll show you in a bit. It's very empty tonight here as well. We're like the only customers here. Oh. There you go.
Thank you. Yeah, where's the cheese?
Where are the chips?
It's good.
It's like the mangoes are a little bit pureed into soft. That's like sweet and pretty spicy. This is the cheesy chips. It comes with chicken too. Hi guys, I am back. The wings was really nice. About my mango and habanero wings, I think the sauce just became like a little bit too much towards the end. Yeah, but it was pretty good. A little spice and a little bit fruity. I wish I got honey and mustard because his chicken tenders tasted really good. They made a mistake for our chips. So at first they gave us the rosemary salted fries, and then they remade us our cheesy fries, which was nice. It's on the saltier side, but I still enjoyed it. I couldn't finish it though. But anyway, this Wings Shed place is really good. I mean, that's why they are #1 in Cornwall, so you should go and try that place if you're craving wings instead of fish and chips. Anyway, good night. I'll see you tomorrow for our last day. So sad. Waves are huge. Hey guys, it's currently in Francine's trippy, and I just ordered a small cod with chips and scampi. So, found another place to sit down at near the sea. And this is my cod. Everything's fried with beef drippings. Scampi, chips, and curry soft cod. This is great. I think this is one of the best fish and chips I've had.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Try the curry sauce.
Okay.
Give it a go.
Right. I'm also gonna dip my chip into the curry sauce. Look how goopy it is. Mmm. That katsu curry.
Mm.
You can really taste the beef drippings in the chips too. Hello, seagulls.
Okay, there's one literally right above us. There, he's looking at our food, by the way. So we've got to be real careful. Mm. Mm. Yeah, it is like katsu curry actually, isn't it?
Mm.
It's not bad.
Mm.